Welcome to this Zoho CRM Plus tutorial for beginners. Whether you're a small business owner, sales manager, or marketer, mastering customer relationship management is crucial for scaling your business and improving customer interactions. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore Zoho CRM Plus, an advanced version of Zoho CRM that integrates multiple tools to help businesses streamline sales, marketing, and customer service. So, what is Zoho CRM Plus? Zoho CRM Plus is a comprehensive customer experience platform that combines sales automation, where you can manage leads, contacts, and deals effectively, marketing tools, where you can automate campaigns, track website visitors, and engage customers, customer support that offers multi channel support via email, chat, phone, and social media, project management, where you can collaborate with teams and track tasks. So, unlike the standard Zoho CRM, the Plus version includes additional apps like Zoho Desk, Campaigns, Sales IQ, and Analytics, making it a complete end to end business solution. So, now let's get started. So, simply head over to Zoho CRM Plus website, and from here, you can sign up for an account. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page where you will see your dashboards. As you can see, this is my overview dashboard. Oh, so it's taking a while to load because it has sample data. So I have chosen to add sample data for this video. So as you can see, this is how the dashboard will look like. You will see your tickets. You'll see traffic analysis, happiness rate. So let's go back to our org overview. And as you can see right here, we have this tables right here where you will see your leads, your revenue this month, your deals in pipeline. So you'll see a bunch of different charts and graphs right here. So this is basically the overview of your business. Next, we have our CRM feature. So let's just wait for it to load. And now, as you can see from here, you can set up your CRM. So you can either configure your deals pipeline, you can also connect your email account or migrate your existing data. So from here, I'm just going to click on skip. And as you can see, this is how our CRM will look like. So we have a bunch of different features right here, such as the overview right here in the home. We also have our leads. So from here, as you can see, we have sample leads right here. You'll see all of your leads right here, such as their details, email, phone, lead source, owner. And of course, if you want to create a lead, simply click on create lead right here in the top right and simply fill up this information right here. So if you don't want to manually add your leads, you can always import your leads using uh, CSV files or Excel files. And of course, you can also import notes. You can sync your Facebook ads, your LinkedIn, and TikTok ads. Next, we have our contacts. So this is just the same as your leads. From here, you'll see all of your contacts. We have the filters right here on the left side. You can also create contacts manually, and of course, import them using files. Next, we have our accounts. You'll see it right here. We have the deals. So it's here. You will see our deals via Gantt charts. So as you can see, we have the tables right here. Next is tasks. So you can see all of our tasks, our upcoming tasks, the tasks that have not been started, deferred, in progress, and completed. Next is meetings. So we will see scheduled meetings right here. And we have all of the details also. Next is calls. We will see calls right here, reports, analytics, your products, your quotes, your sales orders, and purchase orders. So what's good about Zoho CRM Plus is you have your own CRM in this section, and we also have more features right here, such as the Sales IQ, the desk, projects, brand studio. So there's a bunch of different features right here. So next, let's have over the Sales IQ. So as you can see, this is how you can get started with Zoho Sales IQ. So if you want, you can always watch this video right here to learn more about how you're going to be using Sales IQ with your business. As you can see, you can customize chat widget, preview your chat experience, you can add live chat to your website. So basically, Sales IQ is the automation of Zoho CRM. And from here, you can also see the My Chat section, all of your chats, visitors, calls, feedback, reports, canned replies, facts, articles, small talks, and all of these features for the Sales IQ. Next, we have our desk. So from here, we will see all of our tickets. So as you can see, we have this first ticket right here, a sample ticket. We can go to the headquarters section where we will see the overview of our desk. We have the team feeds and views. So next we have the knowledge base feature also right here. We also have our contracts. We can create right here. We have our customers, the analytics of our desk, activities, community, social, and all of these features. Next, we have the project. So from here, you will see all of your projects. So we have the tables right here, so you can create new projects if you want. You can use our project templates. You can add new project templates. We have the project groups, public projects, your recycled bin, and archive projects. You can also use this collaboration section right here to share a quick thought and start a discussion. Next, we have the brand studio. So from here, you can create a new brand or new project using their brand studio. So just feel free to explore more about how you can use brand studio. Next is campaigns. So from here, you can create your campaigns. So first, you want to add your contacts. Then you can create campaigns such as email campaigns. You can automate the user journey. So simply add your contacts first and get started using these steps right here. Next is the social. So this is a new feature of Zoho CRM. So from here, we can basically set up our brand. Next, we have the marketing automation. So we can automate marketing right here. So we have the contacts, lead generation, and all of these features right here. So basically, just feel free to explore more about how all of the features of Zoho CRM Plus can effectively be used in your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.